Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all. Please remain standing as we begin with the processional, starting with the senior high school students for the school year 2025-2026. Our school principal, Mr. Jeffrey R. Lamina.
So we pledge to our alma mater sincerity to the task. So bless us with your wisdom to humble us and empathize.
Carry you
knowledge and skills you have gained, but also the values and character you have developed. Respect, humility, resilience, and genuine love for learning. May you also continue to embody the core values of Transform. Trustworthy, resilient, accountable, result-oriented, fair, obedient, result-oriented, and multi-dimensional. So these values help you become instrument of positive change in your families, your communities, and our nation. And as individuals, prepared to face the future with both competence and character. Continue to dream, continue to strive, continue to believe what you can. Patayon, may God bless each and every one of you in every step you take and every dream you pursue. Once again, welcome